Today I will show you how to allocate the asset to the rental reservation. First, let's open the rental reservation. Right over here, you can see the tab Allocated Asset. Just remember, when you quote or create a rental reservation, you do it on the asset group level. In order to assign the actual serialized unit, you can just click on the space over here and select the asset from the lookup. You hit Save and Close. Now you can see that the actual car has been allocated to the rental reservation, and the status of the rental reservation is changed to a reservation allocated. Let's go to Asset Management, and I will show you that this particular asset status has been changed to on hold.